Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you doing? Thank you for visiting my channel. Let's continue our exercise 4C, question number 5. Expand and simplify. Question number 5, part A. Y minus 2 upon 3 bracket 9x minus 3y bracket close. First, let's start. Bismillah. Y. Now, let's 2 upon 3 multiply with 9 minus plus minus 2 times 9 is 18 upon 3 x minus minus plus 2 times 3 is 6 y upon 3. Next part, y less. Now 3 times 1 is 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So y minus 6x plus 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 2y. Now y plus 2y is 3y less 6x, or we can take 3 as a common. Y minus 2x is our required answer. Now similarly, moving to part B, minus 1 upon 3 square bracket 6 bracket p plus q minus 3 curly bracket p minus 2 small bracket p minus 3q bracket close. Let's start. Minus 1 upon 3 remain same, square bracket. Now 6 times p is 6p, 6 times q is 6q less 3 curly bracket p minus minus plus minus 2 times p is 2p minus minus plus 2 times 3 is 6q curly bracket close, then square bracket close. Second step, minus 1 upon 3 square bracket 6p plus 6q minus minus plus minus 3p minus minus plus 3 times 2 is 6p minus plus minus 3 times 6 is 18q bracket close. Now we simplify the bracket. Minus 1 upon 3 bracket 6p less 3p becomes 3p 3p plus 6p becomes 9p. Now 6q less 18q becomes minus 12q. Now minus plus minus 9 upon 3 p minus minus plus 12q upon 3. So we can cut 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Similarly 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12. So our answer will be minus 3p plus 4q. That is our required answer. Now moving towards our next question, expand and simplify to its simplest form. Part A, 7 bracket x plus 3 upon 2 plus 5 bracket 2x minus 5 upon 3. Let's start. So first of all we have to multiply 7 with the bracket, so we get 7x plus 7 times 3 is 21 upon 2 plus 5 times 2 is 10x plus minus minus 5 times 5 is 25 upon 3. Now we take the LCM of 2 and 3, we get 6. So 3 bracket 7x plus 21 plus twice of 10x less 25 bracket close. So 3 times 7 is 21 x, 3 times 21 is 63 plus 2 times 10 is 20x plus minus minus 2 times 25 is 50 upon 6. So 20x plus 21x plus 20x becomes 41x. Now plus 63 less 50 becomes 13 upon 6, and that is our required answer. Now moving to the part B, 3x less 4 upon 5 minus 3 bracket x minus 1 upon 2. So first of all we have to take the LCM, or we can solve the bracket first. 3x less 4 upon 5 less 3 times x is 3x plus minus minus 3 upon 2. Now we take the LCM of 5 and 2 becomes 10. So we have to multiply the denominator with this denominator. 2 times 3 is 6x plus minus minus 4 times 2 is 8 bracket. Now 3x less 3, 6x minus 8 plus minus minus 15x minus minus plus 5 times 3 is 15 upon 10. Now 6x less 15 becomes minus 9x minus 8 plus 15 becomes positive 7 upon 10, and this is what is required. Now moving towards the next part, part C, 3 bracket z minus 2 bracket close upon 4 less 4 bracket 2z minus 3 bracket close upon 5. Let's start. First of all we solve the bracket. 3 times z is 3z plus minus minus 3 times 2 is 6 upon 4 less 4 times 2 is 8z plus minus minus 4 times 3 is 12 upon 5. Now on second step we take the LCM of 4 and 5, that will be 20. Now we multiply this numerator with 5 and this numerator with 4. So 5 times 3 is 15 z plus minus minus 5 times 6 is 30 minus 4 bracket 8z less 12. Now 15z less 30 plus minus minus 4 times 8 is 32 z plus minus minus 4 times 12 is 48 upon 20. Now 15z less 32z becomes minus 17z. Now minus 30 minus 48 become minus 78 upon 20, and that is our required answer. Now moving to part D. 2 bracket 5 minus 4q upon 3 minus 3 bracket 2q 2p plus q upon 2. Let's start with simplifying the bracket. 2 times p is 2p minus plus minus 4 times 2 is 8q upon 3 minus sign. Now 3 times 2 is 6p plus 3q upon 2. Now taking the LCM of 3 and 2, that will be 6. So 2 times 2 is 4p plus minus minus 2 times 8 is 16q minus bracket 3 times 6 is 18b, 3 times 3 is 9q 9q. Now 4p less 16q minus plus minus 18q 18p minus plus minus 9q, sorry 9q upon 6. Now 4p less 18p becomes minus 14p minus 16q minus 9q minus 25q upon 6. That is our required answer. Now let's progress to part E. Minus 2b upon 3 minus 3 bracket a minus 2b upon 5. Let's start with the solving the brackets. Minus 2b upon 3, 3 times a is 3a plus minus minus 3 times 2 is 6b upon 5. Now by taking the LCM of 3 and 5, we get 15. So we'll plus minus minus 5 times 2 is 10b minus 3a minus 6b minus 10b plus minus plus minus 9a minus minus plus 18b upon 15 minus 10b plus 18b. So 18 minus 10 is 8b minus 9a upon 15. This is our required answer. Now moving to the part F. 2 bracket x plus 3 minus half plus 3x minus 4 upon 4. So starting with solving the bracket, 2 times x is 2x plus 6 less half plus 3x plus 4 upon 4. So taking the LCM of 1, let's say there is 1. So 1, 2 and 4, we get LCM of 4. So 4 bracket 2x plus 6 minus 2 times of 1 plus 1 times of 3x plus 4. Now 4 times 2 is 8x, okay. 4 times 6 is 24 minus 2 plus 3x minus 4 upon 4. So 8x plus 3x becomes 11x. 24 less 2 is 22. 22 less 4 is 18. And this is our required answer. Now moving to part G, a plus 1 upon 2 less a plus 3 upon 3 minus 5a minus 2 upon 4. Now taking the LCM of 2, 3 and 4, we get 12. Now 6, a plus 1 minus 4, a plus 3 minus 3, 5a less 2. Now 6 times a is 6a plus 6 minus plus minus 4a plus 12 minus 15a minus minus plus 6 whole upon 12. Now 6a less 4a becomes 2a, 2a less 15a minus 13a. Now plus 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 18 plus 6 plus 24 upon 12, and this is our required answer. Now part H, x plus 1 upon 2 plus x plus 3 upon 3 less 5x minus 1 upon 6. Now taking the LCM of 2, 3 and 6, we get 6. Now 3x plus 1 plus 2 x plus 3 minus 1 5x minus 1. Now by solving the brackets, 3x plus 3 plus 2x plus 6 less 5x minus minus plus 1 whole upon 6. Now 3x plus 2x is 5x, 5x minus 5x, so it cancel out. Now plus 3 plus 6 becomes plus 9, plus 9 plus 1 is plus 10, 10 upon 6, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 5 is 10, so our answer will be 5 upon 3. This is our required answer. Now the last two parts, part I and part J, is similar to these questions. Do it yourself and let me know if you solve it or not, and if you're facing some problem or not. So that's our end of the exercise 4C. Hopefully you understand. Keep watching for more videos. Jazakallah.